Want to unlock the door to elite freelance opportunities and work with top clients? Let's dive into creating your Toptal account. The first crucial step to landing those premium projects, start by opening your web browser and typing Toptal into the search bar. Then hit enter. Then click on the Toptal website link, the one with the official Toptal domain. Now, on the Toptal homepage, look for the Get Started or Join Toptal button. The exact wording might vary depending on the current website design, but it should be clearly marked. Click that button and the account creation process begins. You'll land on the account sign-up page, where you'll need to enter some essential information. Start by providing your first name, last name, your active email address, because this is how Toptal will communicate with you. Also, create a strong and unique password for security, making sure it is a secret only to you. Double check that all of your provided information is accurate. Confirm your email address. Pay close attention to filling out these initial sign-up fields correctly. Any small errors may cause problems during the verification process. Upon submitting your information, you will then likely see a message prompting you to verify your email. Expect an email from Toptal in your inbox. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder. If you don't see it right away, click the verification link inside the Toptal email to activate your account. Congratulations! After verifying your email, you can now log in and begin the more detailed application process. This early phase of creating your account is all about laying the groundwork. We can dive deeper into the application specifics in another video.